So hi guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today I am gonna make steak using my TFal Air Fryer. So this is my air fryer. I did the unboxing of this here in my channel if you're interested to watch. Anyway, this is just steak. I have here a beautiful piece of ribeye steak, and then for the seasoning I just use this Montreal steak seasoning. So as you know guys, air fryer uses little to no oil at all. But for this recipe, I'm just gonna add my Montreal steak seasoning without oil. So this is how I do it. So I'll just sprinkle the Montreal steak seasoning all over my ribeye. So this is just on this side, and then I'll flip it over to the next side. I don't even need to add some salt and pepper to it kasi masyado nang malasa yung aking Montreal steak seasoning. Okay, that should be good enough. And then on the other side, I'll do the same procedure. There you go guys. Of course guys, nasa sa inyo yan how you want your steak to be done. For our family, we want medium well to well done. That's just our preference, but of course you could either do it rare, medium rare, or medium. So here's our meat. Tapos ilalagay natin siya sa highest setting, which is 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Again guys, we want our steak to be medium well to well done. So gagawin natin for about 15 minutes on each side. And then we'll just wait. Later on, it's gonna be crispy and be yummy. Of course guys, kung gusto niyo na medium lang, you can do it probably for about 10 to 12 minutes on each side. Pero ako nga, since I wanted it well done or medium well, it's about 10 to 15 minutes on each side. So there you go guys. Ito na yung aming ribeye steak using the air fryer. I ended up doing it 12 minutes on each side. So I hope you guys give this a try and let me know what you think. Thank you.